Hi guys, do you want to learn how to create video like this?
Many projects fail because they are not appropriately managed. This video will give you an overview of project management for your small business. Project management enables small businesses to execute projects effectively and efficiently. As a result, small businesses can achieve their project goals on time and within budget, despite fewer resources than large organizations. Planning is 80% of project management.
Alright, so if you want to watch the complete clip of this explanatory video, I will leave the link in the description box as well. Alright guys, so here's VideoRobot, the software I use to create that amazing animation. Okay, and in order for you to know about the VideoRobot, in order for you to get access to this, their dashboard like this, you need to be a registered member of VideoRobot by purchasing their license fee. Okay, now I also believe you already have the license login details with you. If not, please, you can actually purchase it, and if you're having difficulties in purchasing it, probably in terms of the money, you can join me and I will tell you, I will group you with some other members who are interested in purchasing the VideoRobot package so that you will pay less but gain more. Okay, now immediately you purchase the VideoRobot, this is what you have, or immediately you log in into VideoRobot, this is what you have. Then quickly let me show you the run around of this wonderful application. Okay, so this is just the where you receive the latest news. Okay, the news updates on daily this is where you receive the news updates. The next one is my videos. Okay, that is if you've created any video, then you have the videos here for you. All right, then my libraries are the videos, audios, pictures that you uploaded. Okay, so as you can see, this is my logo, the video project and all that things. All right, then that's that. So let's see how to, or how I created that video. All right, so first and foremost, you will notice from the video you see, you notice some slides, okay, at the back of the avatar. Okay, so this slides was created in PowerPoint. All right, so this is it. It was actually a project it was a project for a particular company. Okay, so this is how I created the PowerPoint. Okay, just to show you what I use. So the PowerPoint, probably if you want me to create a tutorial on how to create slides in PowerPoint, then let me know in the description box. Okay, so I use PowerPoint to create this. Then I actually did a screen record. Okay, you can actually record this using the inbuilt recording, but I think I had a problem with it, so I have to use my screen recorder to record the animations. Okay, something like this. I think when once I was done with the slides, I'm okay with it. I clicked on this, then from there, so I make sure my recording software is on. So I was just pressing on the tab. Okay, pressing on the tab to create something like a movement. Okay, so once the video is done, then I cancel it and do some fine tuning on my video editing software. Okay, so likewise you can also do a screen record, okay, using the PowerPoint itself. But I think I had a problem with that. Okay, so once that is done, now from the video editing software, I converted it to MP4. Okay, because this site only accepts MP4 videos. Okay, videos and audios. Okay, so you need to convert it to MP4. Make sure it's MP4. All right, so let's see how we create a video. Now, from here, like before I proceed, this is purchase. That is the package that you've purchased, something like that. Okay, so you can just try to switch there. Now, unless I forget, like I said, we are 5 that actually registered for this. Now, 5 of us, we work as a team. So immediately I log in to this website, I found out that I found this there. It means someone else with the login details has actually started doing 1 or 2 things, which I could actually see what the person is doing. Likewise, my other members, that is 5 of us, the remaining 4 of them can actually once they log in with the same login details we had, because we contributed the money to buy it. They will also see all this there, okay, which they can actually make use of. So how is this done? Let me show you. So firstly, you select create video. So once you select create video, you have 4 different formats rather. Do you want to create an avatar template? Okay, which I will explain. You have the next one, kinetic animation template, whiteboard animation template, and blank canvas. Okay, so quickly let's look at the avatar 3D avatar templates. Okay, so these are templates that are already prepared for you, all right, whereby you can just do 1 or 2 changes to it. Okay, so something like that. So once you click on that, just select next step. So you have different templates to use. The package we're actually using is Video Enterprise. Okay, Video Enterprise. So which means we have access to this videos templates to use. Okay, so there are different ones. There are so many we can actually use, very many. So there are so much we can use. So there's one I actually used in my recent video, which is this one. Okay, let me just show you this one, which is this. Okay, this was from a video template which I just picked from the 3D avatar template. Okay, so let me show you. So once you select on the template, just select next, then select, this was what I used. Okay, once I select on this, it is now selected, then move up and select next step. So once you select next step, the next thing now is to choose an avatar. Okay, choose an actor. Okay, the first one is choose the video type, which we've done. Pick 3D avatar template, then choose a template, then we pick the business template. Now we have to choose an avatar. So the one I use, which you saw in that video, is this character. Okay, he has the half length and the full length. So I use this one since the project's all about the videos are all about projects. So I need him to dress corporate and dress like an with just dress corporate. So I decided to go for this. You can also try to pick other ones. You have varieties of templates to use, okay, which are so much. Okay, so let me see, probably let me use a different one now, maybe this guy. Okay, Carlos. Okay, and select next. So when I select next, now it asks me ready made voice over. Is that what I want to use? Remember, this is a video template, okay, a 3D template which has been created. So the voiceover uses this. If I should play it for you.
Searching for business services, then
okay, so that is the video template you have, the voiceover template you have from that video template. Okay, then this is text to speech, whereby this is what the robot was talking about. Okay, so whereby you can just type in anything and it will play it. Okay, so you can also select from different types of voices to use, and also select different types of languages. If I select Arabic, then this will change. Okay, so there are different types of voices to what to use. All right, so this is just an intro. Okay, so I won't be going that deep. I'll just give you the skeletal way about on how to go about it. Okay, which with it you can develop yourself with it. Okay, so probably in the next video we'll be creating an online tutorial on this. Okay, so the next one is, once you select the text to speech, probably you don't want to use the voiceover, select text to speech, or you can also import, you can also do a video record live like this as I'm talking to you. Once I just select on the record button, then it starts counting, then start recording. Okay, or I can just select on media and select media from library. That is, if you have a video, a voiceover you've created, you've worked on a particular software. So all you need to do is to select my media, then from my media, then select upload new media. Okay, so it will ask you is it video, image, or audio. Nevertheless, anyone you upload, even though it is a video, you want to use as your audio, nevertheless. Okay, so just select audio, then select browse file. You can browse for the voice, for the voice you want to actually want to use. Then select, click on it and select open. Okay, once that is done, you can just rename it here so that you could make use of it in the next future for easy identification. So once that is done, you should have it somewhere here for you to use. Okay, so sorry, my mouse is actually behaving not this morning. I don't really know which one. Okay, now once that is done, then select on it and select OK. Okay, so I don't know what you ask. To select OK, once you select a voice. Okay, now from there you have to choose a voice and music. So that's what I've just shown. Okay, so the next step is personalize your video. So if I select next, okay, it says I don't have any important video or whatsoever. So once you select next, then it will take you to where I will show you right away, because I don't want it to take time in uploading. I just want to use what I did have here. Okay, just to show you what to do. Okay, so from here now, once you select personalized video and preview and edit, let me show you. So from the video, simply the same thing. Where is it? Okay, let me use this edit. Okay, so you notice at this step it's asking me, okay, so this is still personalized video. Okay, let me just select this actor, which I've selected it. Now choose music. I'm not choosing any music. Okay, but I have a voice over that I want to use. Okay, so that is media library. Select, yeah, that is media library. Okay, then select upload media, audio. Okay, then select browse. So once I select browse, this is a video, but it will only use the audio. Okay, so this is it, and select OK. When you select OK, then select submit. You can decide to rename this as audio projects audio. Just give it a name that you know you won't you could easily use it to find it out again, or you could use it to identify your package, the audio. Okay, just select submit. Now it's now starts the loading of the thing. Start loading. So let me just leave it for a while and come back once it is done. All right, so once that is done, just click submit, then show up like this. So then you can just select OK. Once you've selected OK, then the next is to select next step. So from here you need to input the contact information. That is, if you are creating the video for a customer, so you need to input the client company name and phone number. But if it's for yourself, you know what to do. So yes, also you also import the logo. Okay, but I prefer not to use this one. Okay, but you can as well import the logo from here. Okay, since I have my video editing software, I can as well do something of such. That is by inputting my logos at the right part I want it to be once I'm doing my video editing, doing the editing of the video. Okay, so it also talks about the background. Okay, now the background, now like from what you see here, this is a background, right? That is, what you just notice is that the background is moving while the character is talking, isn't it? So I was with the help of this, the background media. Okay, so is either do you want to add images or videos? Okay, which one do you want? So it depends on the one you actually want. Okay, either images or videos from the built-in images they have, but since it's different from what I want to create, is not part of what they have there, so just select my media. All right, and try to import is that my image, my video they actually want to use. But for the sake of this tutorial, I already done that before. I've done that before, so that's why you are seeing all this occurring. All right, so from there I could just select anyone. Okay, they are the same. Just select anyone and select OK. So once that is done, now you see the title of that one, the background that I picked is now selected. So the next thing to do is now select next. Now here is where you have the preview and the edit mode. Okay, like I said, remember we had the package we picked is does the avatar template. Okay, so with this, once I show you this, you have no issue creating a long extended video. So the template is just 35 seconds, but as the agency enterprise package I purchase, it is maximum of 6 minutes. Okay, so with this, just to explain how it works, then show you where to get the long extended clip. Okay, now from here you have media. Okay, media simply means maybe you decide you want to add pictures or videos to the one you have before, so you could just select on it, or try to import it again. You could just import other things straight away. So let me just try to see, just import this. Okay, it's not really important. Again, select this and select OK. So if I should just hold on, let it load. Okay, let it load. It's loading. So while it's loading, now on this level here, this is if you are familiar with Photoshop. Okay, the one you have in front is the one that is actually visible. Okay, so, and this is the project. Now you notice the media we just imported now is not there because it's at the back. So for us to see the image we just import, thus this is edit. You can edit it. Okay, that means you can edit the image you just imported. You can now resize or move it. Okay, because this is being played now, let's look at it. So if I should play it,
Many projects fail because they are not appropriately managed.
okay, so you will notice something is really going on. So let's try to shift it to this place. Let's go up. So let's give it time to load up. Okay, just give it some few more time to load up. Okay, now if I
Be managed. This video will give
notice this image is not there. Now it means this is the project, right? Isn't it? The project is the audio voice. Okay, now the background is where we have this image, so it is known as background. Any character you add to your scene is known as actor. Okay, so what I want to do first is to bring this actor and shift him right below this place, and let's see what will happen. Okay, I hope you will see what is actually going on. Notice the actor is now in front of the background, but it's still loading. So let's give it time to load up. So let's see.
this video will give you an overview.
So you can see what is really happening now. That the character is now in front. So the rule of thumb: make sure your character is in front, then followed by what is this? This is project management. Project management, what? I don't really know what this one is all about, so let me just click on it and see. So here is the pencil to edit. That is the title of the project. Okay, the title at which you want it to be. So if that is the case, then this one I want it to be at that is at this point. Okay, but we need to resize it. If this is a logo, remember this is a media, a picture, right? So we need to resize it. So to resize it, just select on this one. Now make sure you select on what you want to resize. So select on it, then you see this red icon, just drag it, and then you can position it at any point you actually want to position it. Once that is done, please select apply. Once you move away from this without selecting apply, it won't apply it. So once select apply, now it's now been applied. Okay, so this project management you see here is this. Okay, this is it, and that's what you see. If I click on edit, you notice the title of the project. So this is just like an intro, a lower third. Okay, lower third guide. So the intro, that is the title, the subtitle, something like that. Just be creative. Okay, what that is again. Okay, let's say for the actor, you actually want to position him maybe somewhere, probably in the middle. All you need to do is select the actor, select this icon, then just drag in any area. Okay, drag. You can also decide to flip him, that is select the settings and select flip horizontal. So once you notice it's flipped, now you notice this. Let me deselect it. You notice where this is being placed before. So you notice it's being flipped. So select flip, then once you select flip, and you can decide to probably want to change his position once more. Change his position once more, probably put him down here like this, and make sure you select apply. So that has been what? That has been applied. Alright, so these are the contents you have. Now the elements you can also use are also here. So you can decide to add text effects. Okay, animation, text animation. Lower third is what I just showed you of recent, where you see the title of the video. video created by Femtech Studio. Alright, so these are, anyone you see is unlocked are the ones you can use. These ones that are locked are, you can only have access to it once we purchase the deluxe upgrade, the deluxe version, which is the last one, and that is $49. Okay. Alright, so that is that about that. And the intro. Okay, intro simply means before the video start playing, what do you want the viewers to see? So that's all about the intro. Then you select any ones you actually want to use and follow the procedure. Alright, so once that is done, you could also select create movie. It will ask you, because we are using a video agency enterprise, we have the opportunity, the privilege to render our video in full HD resolution, and that's why you see this video. The video you watched is a full HD resolution, that is 920 by 1080. Okay, then it asks you what type of format do you want to release this video. So MP4 is okay for me, and I select create video. Once I select create video, then I select Public 2 and select create video. Once I select create video, now you notice it's actually loading, so just select this. So once it loads 100%, then it means you can now what? You can just head over to it like this and select download. Then it will download it into your download folder. Alright. Now back to where to get the lengthen video. Okay, what you need to do is to select create video. Now this is what we just talked about. We also have the kinetic template animation. You have whiteboard template animation. That is where you see some hands that are actually writing whatever the voiceover is saying. Okay, so what I did when I wanted to create that video you just watched, this one, is I used a black canvas. A black canvas means no template, nothing. I'm just building it from the scratch. So you select on it. Once you select on it, it's still the same procedure. Select the actor, select the voice you want to use, personalize the video, then preview and change the content and all the other things. Once you are done, select create video, let it load up to 100. Once that is done, select on the download button, and that is it. So from there you can now take it down to your video editing software. Alright guys, so in the next class, before we call it a day, I only showed you about the male. Okay, here we also have female characters. Okay, so we have different characters to use. Okay, so you can also select a green screen whereby the video, whatever video you upload, it will actually remove most, I think it's green screen. Once you upload a green screen video, it will remove the green background away from it, and you have a free template to use. Okay. Alright guys, so that is that about how to create a preamble about how to create videos in with VideoRobot. In the next class, we are going to look at how to get clients. Okay, how to get clients from freelancing softwares, freelancing page like Fiverr and the likes. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that and things you need to do, how to set up your Fiverr account, how to set up your freelancing account, so that you can actually start making thousands of dollars with this video. Alright guys, so in case you have any question, please kindly leave your question in the comment section below of this video, and I'll try my possible best to respond to it on time. Bye for now. One love.